Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my mom's bacon Tobiko kimchi fried rice recipe with you. First, let's prep our veggies. Chop your green onions, separating the whites and greens. Next, we're going to slice our bacon into 1-inch wide pieces. Finally, grab your kimchi and chop it into small pieces with some scissors. Now we're ready to go. Heat your oil in a cast iron pan over medium-high heat. When the oil's hot, toss in the whites of your green onion and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add your minced garlic. We're going to let this cook for about 1 minute and then we're going to add in our bacon. Cook the bacon until it's slightly crispy but not dark. This should take about 3 minutes. Toss in your kimchi and gochugaru, and we're going to stir fry this for about 3 minutes until the kimchi is softened. Finally, add in your cooked rice and break it apart with the wooden spoon. Mix the rice so it incorporates with the kimchi and bacon. And then add your kimchi juice and soy sauce. Keep tossing to combine, and then we're going to remove the rice from heat. You can taste and add more soy sauce at this point. Next up is the Tobiko. Add in your Tobiko and gently mix it into the rice. I like to top my fried rice with soft-boiled onsen eggs. I didn't add the instructions in this video, but I'll link it below. Now top your rice with green onion, sesame seeds, and extra Tobiko if you like. Now you're ready to eat. Enjoy!